In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set up A/B tests for Hubspot sequences. To begin, log into your Hubspot account and head to the main navigation. You will start in the Sales area because that is where sequences live. Click Sales and then click Sequences. This will open your list of existing sequences, including drafts and any that are currently in use. Next, find the sequence you want to test. Click directly on the name of that sequence to open it. Once you are inside, take a moment to locate the email steps in the sequence. A and B testing in Hubspot sequences is set up on an individual email step, so you will choose the specific email you want to compare. It helps to start with a high-impact email, like the first outreach message, since that one often affects overall reply rates. Now move your cursor over the email step you want to test. When you hover over it, you will see additional options appear. Click Add A/B Test. This tells HubSpot you want two variations of the same email, so it can split new enrollments between version A and version B. After you click Add A/B Test, you will select what the B version should be. Choose an existing email template for the B version. Using an existing template is a quick way to create your second variation while keeping your formatting consistent. Make sure the template you pick matches the purpose of the email step, so you are testing a meaningful change and not accidentally changing the entire intent. Once the B version is created, you will edit it. Open the editor and adjust either the subject line or the body of the B version. Keep your changes focused so you can clearly understand what caused a difference in performance. For example, you might test a shorter subject line, a different opening sentence, or a more direct call to action, while keeping the rest of the message similar. When you are done editing, go to the top right and click Save. Saving is what turns on the A/B test for new enrollments moving forward. Existing enrollments will not be affected, so give the test time to collect results as new contacts enter the sequence. That covers everything you need to know.